Hello everyone, welcome to the Curiosity Therapy. I called it this way for two reasons. First of all, because I want to create a place where I would feel safe to explore my ideas and to celebrate curiosity, art, creativity. So, for this reason, curiosity, terror. But there is also another reason for this name. Therapy, it's kind of game of words, board game, because I imply therapy. So, it is a place, it is a world, but I'm not sure what it will be about. I have a feeling, but it's very difficult for me to really say what exactly I will explore. And for this reason, I decided to make a brainstorm of topics I'm interested in and I like to allow myself to explore. The problem is, each time when I sit down and want to journal about it, I feel so overwhelmed with feelings of guilt, like I'm spending my time on something which is has not important at all. Feeling of guilt that I'm taking time like for nothing, when I know that there are so many tasks I have to do. So for this reason, to switch off my inner critic and other voices I hear, I decided to make a physical exercise, because I know when I'm involved in physical activity, my mind becomes clear. All these voices calm down. They just magically switching off. And it is one of the reasons I'm so attached to my yoga practice and to dance. So now I'll take the plank pose and let's see what will come out, what kind of ideas will come out. I decided I'll hold plank as long as I have something to say. I mean, I feel that there is something else might come out what will be interesting to note for the future reference. So let's see. So it's so funny. Usually I'm thinking that I'm interested in so many things, but each time I have to tell about it, I don't know what to say. First of all, I'm interested in music and dance. It's been my passion from my very childhood, but it was a secret, because I played chess and I didn't want to disappoint my parents. So, since I have sacrificed so many years to chess, I'm also interested in chess. And nowadays, since I'm not a professional chess player anymore, I'm much more interested in decision making. And this brings me to the next topic, mental models, how people think, languages, yes, languages, how we communicate, culture, communication, art, because art is a truly great way of communicating ideas. I'm interested in ideas, in how we can how we can develop ideas which would be beneficial for us, for the society. I'm interested in science, in psychology, how I could live more peacefully, I mean, with myself, in yoga, meditation, cooking, health, care, what makes us happy. Thank you. So, this was even faster than I thought. I never tried talking while standing in plank. So, yeah, that was more challenging. But at least I managed to list some ideas for further exploration. And I didn't mention, but I would like to add now that university studies are also an area of my interest. During my preparation to the last exam, I've discovered a huge interest to the history, and let's see.